Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. And even today, we analyze for you the Ethereum, because a lot of people, they've been asking us to analyze even the ETH, so we analyze even the Ethereum today. So make sure to watch everything. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we're given daily signals. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, that the Bitcoin today here in the daily, look at it what it done. Today we got a green day. The market is moved up a little bit, but till now we don't got nothing. You need to be careful today, guys. You need to be careful. I say that and I say that and they say that. Today is a very, very, very huge day for all the market. So be careful. Don't try to open any trade. But if you open it, it's you who are taking all the responsibility. Me today in my Discord and my Telegram, I haven't give any signal. I just gave a signal in another crypto, but that one is another story. But here in the Bitcoin, there is no trading because today the Fed interest rate decision is coming. So be careful, guys. Till now, we haven't broken nothing here. As I mentioned it before, as you see it. Till now, we haven't broken that trend line, which is coming from the top here, as I showed it to you before. Till now, as we still in the border of it here. We just touch it. Now we need to see what the market is going to react here. Till now, we don't got nothing here. Here in the daily, we got that double bottom here, as you see it now. Until now, we haven't break the neckline, which is here in that last high. And that neckline here, it's a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone. You need to be careful about it. It might you're going to touch it, then after that you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down. So be careful, guys. Even from down over here, there is the 50 moving average. Till now you haven't break it above 200. It's still more high. So be careful, guys. There is nothing yet. I told you all those things before and I'm repeating now. We got here, that one here, and that one here. It needs the Bitcoin to give us either a break here for us to enter more long, or a breakdown here for us to enter more short. People, they are with us. They know how us we buying those things. We buy the first from here, second from here, third from here, the fourth from here. And look where we are. Risk free now. So if you want to join us, the link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. But the picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the coming news for today, for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, that the news which is coming today, the first thing we're going to have the CPI data or inflation data of UK. It's going to come very bad. As you see, the previous one, it used to be 6.8 and the forecast for that one is going to be 7%. If it came like that, that's very, very, very bad for your UK economic. Then what we got crude oil at 230, that one for USA, 230 GMT time. Then we got FOMC economic project, FOMC statement, and Fed interest rate decision is going to come at 6 o'clock GMT time. Then you change it with your local time depending on where you are in the world. Then down we got our friend Jerome Powell. He's going to come to talk in a press conference. He's going to tell us what they are going to do, yappa and those yada of them. Also, we don't care about all those things. Also, we follow the data because that person, no matter what he said, number numbers doesn't lie. He can lie at us, but numbers, they don't lie at us. So till now, there is nothing. You need to wait more. And as you see, the interest rate decision, the Fed is going to pause. That means there is no more interest rate because they can't hike forever. They are going to come to the ceiling. And that's what else we're waiting. We're waiting that pivot of the Fed hiking interest rate. That means the Fed is going to start reducing. Till now, inflation is still above than that 2%. And actually this month is go back up. All it's waiting was going to happen. And here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we follow every day here. As you see, US stocks today, they got a red day. By the way, if you want to see the SP 500, the Nasdaq, and the DXY analysis, you can go and join our other channel. The name of the other channel is Index Insider. Just search for it in YouTube or Google, then you're going to find it. Then you can join us from there. And if you want to join our Patreon, the link of it is it down where we're given extra thing there for US market. That's another story. And down here is our friend, is the VIX. As you see it today, it go up a little bit. That's my 14, but no huge move today. The market remain flat because all the investors, they are worried and they are waiting what Jerome Powell going to tell us. So there is nothing yet. We need to wait and more. Now let's go into see what the Ethereum doing today. Pictures get more clear to you. Here we are in the Ethereum, guys. By the way, we got a Telegram channel where we're giving daily analysis for other cryptocurrencies and the crypto also we follow. You can join us. The link of that Telegram channel is it down in description of that video. We give analysis in Telegram and even in Discord. You can join them down in description of that video. By the way, everything is free there. As you see here in the 8, we got a very stronger supply and demand zone here at that level here. As you see it, if you came to the tail of that candle and that low here and you draw there a square like that, as you see how many times we touch it over here and over here and even today. So the market here in the 4 hours, he tried to give us here like a double top here at that level. So and we got a uptrend. As you see it, it's been going up. Now if the market came down and breaking at that level here, exactly where I'm going to do that arrow there, you can enter short in the Ethereum. That's for the short. For the long, if the market came and broke up here, you can enter more long. And by the way, a lot of people they telling me why me I said here I don't say the level. The first thing, guys, depending which broker you using. That one here is the it in Binance. I can give you here the level exactly, but if you go into your broker, the level is going to be different because the price in Binance is not the same price in Bybit, and it's not the same price in Bitfinex, and it's not the same price in BitGet. So that's why me, I told you like that, and I teach you how to draw those levels. I told you the tail of that candle here and that one here. Then you draw in a square there and you're waiting where the 8 is going to break. As I told you, if we break it above, enter long. If you're breaking down here, you enter short. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator in the 8, we just coming from oversold area until now we haven't touched the overbought area. That means the 8 is going to go more higher than that. That's what our indicator is telling us. But also we don't follow indicators. Also we follow price action. And the price action, it's more accurate than technical indicators in general. Or anyone who follow technical indicators and try to give you signals, don't just follow him. That's my advice, but it's up to you. But the picture is too clear here. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Over here in the Bitcoin, I told you, we got that uptrend. As you see it, we started from down here and here. Like that very simple uptrend. It's being touched 3 times. If you can, that's the first, second, and over here the 3rd time. That's what me I told you. I told you if the trend line getting broke at that level here, you can enter short. That's what me I told you. In the top, now also we waiting that level which is here. As you see it, how I started. I'm going to show you again. You can to that peak, that one here. I can give you exactly the level here in that chart me I'm analyzing here. The level is at 28,171.22, and down is it here at 27,327.27. That's the level. So you go, you drawing two lines like that, one down, a horizontal line here, and in the top another horizontal line like that, and you waiting where is the market is going to break. If you break in here, man, the Bitcoin is going to give us more higher than that. If the Bitcoin fall down and breaking that trend line, is going to reverse down. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here I explain everything to you. And the Bitcoin here, if it's going to fall down, it's going to give us here a double top, like how it give it to us here, and people they being with us, they remember it. I think picture is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying. In our indicator, we got a divergence here. You see it or no? Look with me here for pictures get more clear to you. Over here, we touch the overbought area. And here, now where we are. If you came to the chart now, what you seeing? Like that. What you seeing? That one here, it's low. And down here is the highest. Over here is the highest. And down here is the lowest. So if you do it like that, and you do it like that, you got here a divergence in 4 hours, guys. As we enter along, because we used to have down here a divergence. People they been with us, they remember it. Now you got here another divergence here in the 4 hours. So guys, be careful about that one. Should you enter short now? Not yet. Till we're breaking down here the trend line. Yes, you can enter short, but at this time there is nothing, so you need to wait more. Now it's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, also we are here at the overbought area. As you see that the color it's become green here. Level, also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. I just show you how to draw it before. Should you enter short now? Not yet, my friend. Till the market fall down and breaking the trend line, or the market to give us here a price action like that, that double bottom here, the market to fall down and to break it. Yeah, now we don't got nothing, so us we still waiting. That's for the short. For the long, I'll show you even for that one. I told you if the market came and breaking here, you can enter more long. And for the long people they been with us we enter from down here from 25k, us we enter along. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading to see what the Bitcoin doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Over here last time also we enter a short from here, from the double top here till down here. It hit for me the first take profit and move the stop loss to entry point. It move up, it hit it for me. It's okay, that's a part of the game. Today the market it remain all the whole day here sideways as you see it. And now the market he tried to give us here a head and shoulder like that. Where is the neckline? The neckline is it down here at that level here as you see it. Now what shall we do? If the Bitcoin fall down and breaking down here, you can enter short. If it's not, you just wait till the right time. And here that's for the short, or you can make something like that. Look with me what I'm going to do. You see it or no? You got here a uptrend very clear, and here in the top you can make something like that. You got here a triangle, so that one if it's breaking down here, you can enter more short. If it's breaking above in that level, you can enter more long. I think picture is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, even here you got a very clear divergence here. You see it or no? If we came to our other indicator, let me show it to you. You see it or no here? Look, that one here, it's more accurate divergence here than 4 hours. You see it or no? If you came here to that one and you do it like that, you got a very clear divergence. I know my drawing is not accurate, but you get the idea. Should you enter short? I just show you how to enter short. If we break in that trend line, which is here, that one, enter short, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.